Unraveling the meaning of Raccoon Kits. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, Raccoon Kits. This phrase might sound a bit puzzling at first, especially for non-native speakers, so let's explore its meaning and usage together. Raccoon Kits refers to young raccoons. In English, the word kit is often used to denote the babies of certain wild animals, like raccoons, foxes, and squirrels. This term is particularly interesting because it's not universally used for all animal babies. For instance, we say puppy for a young dog and kitten for a young cat. In everyday conversation or literature, you might encounter this phrase in various contexts. For example, I saw a raccoon kit in my backyard, or the wildlife sanctuary is taking care of abandoned raccoon kits. Understanding this phrase helps in comprehending conversations about wildlife or in literary descriptions involving animals. English often has specific terms for animals at different stages of life. Knowing these terms, like kit for a young raccoon, enriches your vocabulary and helps in understanding nuanced English content. It's an excellent example of how English adapts to the natural world, using distinct words for different species and their young. And that's a wrap on Raccoon Kits. I hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and added a fun fact to your English vocabulary. Keep exploring, and remember, every new word or phrase is a step towards mastering the English language. See you in the next video.